Hey everyone, wanted to show you this interactive cat toy ball we got. So you got the main ball right here with a little tail. The tails are actually exchangeable. One has like this kind of ending, one has this kind. And you also get a remote that controls this rolling ball. You also get a little laser, and these are the controls. And this is rechargeable, and they give you like a little screwdriver so you can take this thing apart, or maybe take this thing apart to replace the batteries. Let me show you how it works.